how to fix Fortnite error code LS-0013. So make sure that Epic Games is closed. Even if it's minimized to tray, you can still close it like that. Second of all, right click on the Windows logo and click Run. Here, you're going to type in %local app data %. And from here, all you need to do is find the Epic Games launcher. Double click, saved, and here you'll see webcache _4430 or whatever number you have. So what you want to do is right click this and delete it. Once you've done that, you can close it and type in Epic Games Launcher, right click, and make sure you run as administrator. And from here, you can go down to library and launch your game. And that's how to fix the error code LS0013 in Fortnite.